Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make roll-cut kulfi. Start by simmering full-fat milk until it reduces by about half and thickens, stirring frequently to avoid burning. Add sugar, crushed cardamom, and chopped pistachios, then cool slightly before pouring into a shallow tray. Freeze solid, scrape into ribbons with a spatula, and roll or cut into slices for serving with extra nuts for texture and flavor. Measure ingredients carefully to ensure consistent texture and flavor in every batch. Bring full-fat milk to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer until it thickens noticeably. Stir in sugar and crushed cardamom while the milk is warm so flavors meld evenly. Once the mixture is slightly cool, fold in half the pistachios, pour into a thin, shallow tray, and smooth the surface for even freezing and easy slicing later. Patience matters when freezing roll-cut kulfi. Ensure the tray is fully solid before attempting to scrape. A flat, thin metal spatula works best to scrape long, thin ribbons by angling and pushing steadily across the frozen surface. Work quickly with chilled tools to keep the kulfi from melting. Transfer ribbons to a pre-chilled plate, garnish with reserved pistachios, and serve immediately for the best texture and presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.